Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can buy Bitcoin in Latvia. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Coinbase, and if you're going to register through the link, you will receive $10 for free of Bitcoin. Just add your first name, last name, email and password. When you're going to register, you will get on this site called Coinbase. On Coinbase, you just click here on the Bitcoin View Asset and then buy 100 euro of Bitcoin, and you can pay with bank or wallet, and you preview buy here. And now you see here the Coinbase fee, of course, and then you're going to see total, and this is how much Bitcoin you're going to get for 100 euro right now. Then you can simply sell it, the Bitcoin, if you want to. And now you can then easily go to portfolio and withdraw the money. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See you.